Hi, my name is Victor. I am the CEO of eCreative, and in this short video we'll show you a demo app that we made for Tearfund, showing our digital publishing solution called Magooh. So this is the website that we are going to show you, which shows the two publications that we have, Tear Times and Prayer Diary. And we can always add a new publication where we just give it a name, publishing date, description, and just select and upload the files. We'll go back from here. And then if you go inside of the publication, you can see every page. You can rearrange them if you want. You can go inside of the page and see how it looks like. Add some links to the page if you want this area right here to link to a certain external link, or to link to page 9, for example. You can do this and save and export the newer version of the publication. Okay, we'll go to home page. So here are our two diaries, and now let's look how they look after we uploaded them and published them on the iPad. Of course, as all the proper digital solutions and all the proper magazines, they appear in the newsstand. Here we have several apps. This is one for Medicine Sans Frontières, and there's one for a company called Skyway, and here's the one for Tearfund called Tear Times. We launch it and we have several tabs here. The home tab is actually an interactive portal, another way to communicate with your users, with your audience. Again, through the website, we just provide with certain links to Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and we keep updated with the latest tweet over here, and people can come up and see the full Twitter feed and follow you on Twitter, or they can come and see your YouTube channel. Another way to engage people and see your content is as well through this app or Facebook. This is the link to the RSS news that we just pull up from your website. So every time you add a new news article to your website, it will automatically appear here, and people again can read the news without going to the website or parallel to go into the website from this app. This is the latest news item that we could find on your RSS feed. And here are the two publications that we have right now in this demo app. If you can go to magazine tab, here they are. One is downloaded here, and the other one is not downloaded yet. It shows it's 41.92 megabytes. It shows it's free. This is the titles and the first page of the publication. So we can either view the specific publication or we can archive it for later. So we press to view the publication, and a nice page folds down. And now you can just swipe through the publication in a nice, beautiful user interface. If you want something, you can zoom in and position where you can read it in a larger font, or zoom out, or you can tap once and see the index pages, see the contents, and you can jump to a specific page. Right here, for example, we jump to page 11, and here we are. We can read this article, or we can jump to page 15, and here we are looking at this article. Looks fine. Automatically scales beautifully to the landscape mode. Of course, it involves more scrolling now, but have a look here. Also zoom, and again with one tap we're back in the library. This beautiful Tearfund logo, and again we also want people to see your website, to promote you more. So we have a tab here called website, and people can now engage and browse through your website when they are inside of this app. So this is a small demo app we put together for you to see what we can do with digital publishing solution at eCreative called Magooh. And if you're interested, please feel free to contact us and we'll start the conversation.